we introduce how to adjust the micro registration system. Firstly, we use this film on the table. Look, we put on the table and use the screen. Use the screen. Okay, it's just a testing. The frame must be in the middle. Two sides is the same distance. They tighten this way. Now, make sure the plate is the screen is flat on the table. Tighten the screw, but not use the very big strings. Now, this is not flat. Okay, we adjust it to be flat with these two side screws. And also, this is off contact. This one also can adjust it up and down. Now, okay, loose. Look, now it's flat. So we can tighten the screw. Also, these two sides must be tightened. Now, it's very flat. Now we adjust the micro registration system. The image should be in the center of the plate. Okay, now this is right. So we use the temperature stick on the table. Now we adjust the frame. Okay, come on， 到这里来 ，look， 过来，你过来，拍到这里来 ，look。This is not line up. This is not is wrong. It's not correct. So we adjust the frame. Okay, so it's a big distance. We can adjust this two part. Okay, loose. Now. Oh. 过来，拍得近一点。来，拍过来一点。到我这个拍。Okay, now this is right. The cross is almost the same position, and also this way. Now, so everything is well. So we tighten. We tighten the logo. Just use a little strings, not big strings. Okay, so now after tighten everything, you look at this. Always a little difference. Look, this is not line up. So we need to now we use the micro registration to adjust it to be correct. And this one, look, this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, this also. So we use the we adjusted this micro registration system. Now, this is loose the two screws on the top, and now we loose. Look, this is adjust the right and the left. Okay, now look at this. This to use to adjust the back and front. Okay, just a little. Look, we adjusted this part, and this also needed to be back a little, and okay. Now, look. Now this is okay. This also okay. This is okay. This is okay. So they are finished their micro registration. Now we tighten this handle and they'll tighten. Okay, make sure every screws must be tightened. The film with the screen is same. Okay.